Ready to unlock a piece of American history? Let's talk about the Liberty Bell. The Liberty Bell, crafted in 1752, was meant to symbolize freedom, but it cracked on its very first ring. Recast and repaired, it tolled for pivotal moments, like the first public reading of the Declaration of Independence in 1776. Fast forward to the 1830s, and abolitionists adopted the bell as a symbol of their fight to end slavery, calling it the Liberty Bell. Its inscription, "Proclaim Liberty," throughout all the land resonated deeply with their cause. Today, the Liberty Bell reminds us of the ongoing struggle for equality and justice. It's not just a relic, it's a living symbol of resilience and hope. So next time you think of American history, remember the Liberty Bell. It's not just about where we've been, but where we're headed. History isn't just in the past, it's ringing right now. Stay curious, history buffs. Until next time.